Hey, subfloors, let's talk about those. As you can see, this subfloor is particle board, pretty common type of subfloor that is used in manufactured housing. The unfortunate thing with that is that when it gets wet and dries, it becomes very brittle and people will fall through. So it ends up being a real big hazard. The areas typically that this occurs are in areas obviously where plumbing is located. It can happen from coming up from underneath where the plumbing has broken and pipe is broken and it's spraying up underneath. So sometimes you can have it from underneath. Other cases, it is going to be from like a sink or dishwasher that has been leaking. This situation, we haven't had that, thankfully. Okay. In other cases, it's going to be from a window leaking or from a roof/fascia issue where it's just going right down the window or the wall and causing issues. And that's what's actually happened along here with this home. So quick fix, easy fix is basically just taking care of subfloor. We're doing subfloor fixes. That is a very common theme. We've gotten really, really good at doing subfloor fixes in our homes. A lot of the time you'll end up having just small little pieces. Some of it ends up being structurally sound and it's just fine. Other pieces end up being vulnerable, especially where you have two pieces connecting. In other cases, it is due to a roof leak. So we've had a roof leak here. It's been leaking down the side. So we have whole subfloor in there. And then along here, it's been leaking along here, this wall. So it's going down the trusses and coming down along the wall. So big thing to keep in mind is that yes, roof leaks can end up causing additional issues for people in the long run. And if it's not taken care of, you know, it can pretty much do a lot of damage. So this one also has trusses that we need to rebrace and bracket, and then obviously ceiling that we need to fix on this one. So just wanted to give you some of the more common repairs that you're going to come across in mobile home flipping. And that, you know, they're pretty common, they're pretty easy. You look for certain types of identifiers and then just resolve it. But subfloors are definitely a big thing that we deal with on a regular basis because they choose to use particle board. We put OSB back in and we block it correctly and make sure that it's nice and healthy and safe and sound for the next homeowner. Make it a great day.